skate parks, huh? It's been a minute. You guys miss the skate parks as much as I do. Trying to get back into riding parks more often and actually riding them. I would bring my flat scoot just because I was afraid to hurt myself, but now we're good. We're warming up. I'm getting used to it. There's a trick that I want to try today, and it's basically, I want to do a full lap around the skate park on one wheel. So imagine you're playing Tony Hawk in real life, where you do a crazy trick and you land manual and you just go around the whole park in a manual scoring points. I'm trying to score as many points as I can today, but we're gonna warm up first just to get a feel for the park. Kind of getting the feel for some of the tricks I used to do before I got hurt, which is not that long ago, but it seems like a long time. Been riding flat and only flat for about 5 months, which I'm grateful for. I'd rather be able to ride anything, and obviously my main focus, which is flatland, over not riding at all. But Apex is such a good park. Look at this park. For a 30-minute drive, I definitely made it. I want to do a few long combos, just kind of get a feel for what might be the right line. Come on, go out of the park. Oh my God, I was going so slow. Ow, my leg hurts. I just sent it, I was feeling it, and I realized that if I don't do it now, maybe I'll be not too tired, but more tired to do the trick later, and then it would just be harder for me. But that was probably the longest manual I've ever done in the skate park. Just a straight, almost like a double lap, because I came all the way around and went to the bank and then went back. I don't even know where I was going. I don't know what it is, but as soon as I press record, a ton of wind always pulls up on me. So I can never do a hitchhiker. When I throw it down, I always get stuck right there. But since I don't have back pegs on this scooter, I can actually do one. I usually do cliffhangers. So let's take advantage of that, ride in the park scoot right now, and let's do a skate park hitchhiker. Apex, you've been great, but the wind, I'll pass. How am I supposed to carry everything? I feel like in North Carolina, there's always these little gazebo canopy looking things, and I don't know why I like being under them. It's probably better to be not under the shade, so it's better light for the footage. But there's this park over there, If I can move those tables, then we have a nice, cool little flat spot to film at today. So heavy. It's not the best floor. I feel like with the Insta360 you can get some cool footage with this whole thing, which we'll do in a second. But before we get into the session, there's 3 things that I want to announce just to keep you guys in tune. For those watching the videos every day, you're the first to know and you'll just be more involved. First thing, new videos every day. I think I told you before, but if you missed that, I am now daily vlogging again. Full video every single day around the same time, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be a video. I haven't done this in 3 years, and I think it's time we bring it back. Daily vlogs back in action, as well as daily shorts. So 2 videos a day. Shorts in the morning, vlogs in the afternoon. So depending on where you are in the world, 11 a.m., 4 p.m., 2 videos. Second thing, I am working on a new sponsor. It's something that I've been buying for a long time. So anytime there's a sponsor announcement, the one thing I ask for you guys to do is to go comment on that announcement. Usually it's on Instagram. So when it happens, wish me luck, can you please go comment and put some feed on that post, because it helps me so much. When the sponsor goes, John, I'll sponsor you, and everybody's like, whoa, congratulations, and the sponsor's like, oh, that's sick, you know what, I'm gonna keep sponsoring you, it helps. And third thing, Boost Mobile and I will be doing a giveaway. Look out on Instagram, giving away some stuff. Some very expensive stuff. Let's put the Insta360 on the floor and see what the hoopty gazebo thing looks like. I knew this was the worst floor. It's so bad. It's small, which is fine. It's smaller than the garage. I know how to ride in a small spot. But the floor is so and choppy. It just looks sick. That's the only thing. I feel like you have to just bite your tongue and figure out what tricks. You don't really have to have a perfectly smooth floor. I feel like a lot of like forceful tricks work. Some mega spins and more basic stuff. So try to film at least one cool trick with this whole little area, and then we'll probably move just because it's not the best fun. Wow. That is the best I'm going to be able to do at this spot. You got crazy wind and a big rain cloud that's telling us to go home.